Namaste everyone. I welcome you to my page Yoga with Bhumika. So today we are going to do a very small flow for reproductive health to improve the blood flow in the reproductive organs. So if you are planning for pregnancy, you want to improve your fertility, you have irregular periods, endometriosis, fibroids, you can follow this sequence. But make sure you do not do these exercises when you are on your periods. Rest of the time you can do. Also avoid these stretches during your implantation phase. We have different set of exercises for implantation phase. This is not for implantation phase and also not for when you are on the periods. Okay, so let us get started. Let us start in butterfly. Join the sole of your feet together. Interlock your fingers in front. Let us start with neck rotation first. Tilt your head on one side. Inhale, stretch your head up. Exhale down. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale down. Now let us reverse the cycle 2 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more. And relax. Perfect. Now, place your palms on your knees and start with upper body rotation. Inhale, chest out. Exhale, take your body to the right, center, left, and come back. Inhale here. Exhale, forward. Come on. Continue. 2, 3. Pull yourself forward and come back. 4 and 5. Perfect. Now reverse 5 times. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now drop your palms on the floor. Take a deep inhale, lift the chest up, spine straight. Exhale, walk forward with your palms. Keep pushing your knees down mentally. Walk forward, forward as much as your body allows. No overstretching. Try to bend from the elbows if possible. Tilt your head down slightly, look down, and stay here. Breathe. Stay here for 10. Keep pushing the knees down towards the mat. 9, 8, 7, perfect. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Close your knees. Hug your knees and relax your legs. Now open your legs. Pull the toes back. Pull your toes back. Now take a deep inhale. Stretch your body up. Pull the body up. Exhale. Drop your right elbow down on the right thigh. Keep the chest open. Left arm straight. Stay here. Breathe. Feel a nice opening of the side muscles. Stay here for 10. Feel the stretch on your thighs as well. 9, 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Inhale, stretch up again, pull the body up. Exhale to the other side, drop the elbow. Keep the chest open, feel a nice stretch on the side muscle. Stay here, breathe. For 10, 9, keep breathing. 8, don't relax your legs, pull the toes back. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to the center. Now we will do twisting here, one time on each side. We will try to drop the elbow in the center. Those of you who are not able to drop the elbow, you can drop the palm slightly forward like this. Okay? Let us do twisting. Inhale, stretch up, pull the body up. Exhale, either drop your palm or drop your elbow, any of the palm or elbow. Open the chest, another arm stretched up, look up and hold. Come on, look up and hold. For 10, 9, keep breathing normally. 8, 7, 6, look up. 5, 4, 3, chest open. 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, try to drop your body, elbow if possible. If you can't, just drop your palm forward, open the chest, look up and hold. Come on, look up. 10, breathe. Pull the toes back. 8, keep pushing the shoulder back. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back and relax. Now we will do Upvist Konasana 4 times. We will do forward bending. Place your palms on the thighs. Take a deep inhale, chest up. Don't go down. Take your body forward, okay? Inhale, chest up. Exhale, drag your hands, palms forward, forward, forward. Look in front towards me. And as you inhale, come back up. Round 2. Exhale, take the body forward, 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 and come back. Round 3. Forward, forward, with exhale, forward, 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 and come back. One last. Inhale over here, chest out. Exhale, forward, forward, forward. Now drop your palms down on the floor. Slightly tilt your head down. If your body allows, try to drop your one elbow down. If possible, another elbow down. Slightly tilt your head down and stay here. Breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And slowly come back and relax. Close your legs. Shake your legs and relax. Now we will sit in Malasana for a minute. If you are new to the practice and you do not have enough ankle flexibility, you can take support of a yoga block or a cushion or a pillow, okay, to sit for Malasana. Those of you who can sit directly, sit without the support. Now make sure your toes are pointing out, your heels are in. Okay, toes pointing out, heels in. Push the knees out with the elbows. Open the knees, palms joined together, chest out. Okay, and hold in Malasana like this. Perfect. Now slightly take your body to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale to the left. Make sure you're pushing the knees away. Don't close the knees, okay? Inhale, center. Exhale. Keep moving your body from one side to the other. Perfect. Now drop your palms down on the floor. And from Malasana, we are going to move to Uttanasana. Drop your palms down. Take a deep inhale. Lift your body up. Try to straighten from the knee, but make sure your knee and your chest is in contact. Don't lift up like this, okay? We want to keep them in contact. Exhale, sit back. 5 more times. Inhale, lift up. Perfect. Exhale, down. 4 more times. Inhale, up. Keep your chest and the thigh in contact. And down. 3 more. Inhale, lift up. Look down in between the palms. दोनों हथेलियों के बीच में देखिए. Exhale down. 2 more. Come on. Inhale, lift up. Exhale down. One last. Inhale, lift up and hold here. Hold here. Now without lifting the palms, keep the palms on the mat only and try to straighten your knees. Try to straighten your knees. Look down in the center of the palms and just hold here. Breathe. Hold here. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Drop your body down and sit down. Keep the legs straight and relax. Shake your legs. Relax the muscles. Once tap your knee. Release the tension. Now, let us do leg twisting. Keep your hands, palms on the side. Keep your legs open. Inhale in the center. Exhale, drop your knees on one side. Like this. Make sure both the legs are making 90-degree angle. We don't want this. Okay? We don't want this. Open the legs. So when you are turning on the side, both the legs should make 90-degree angle. Perfect. Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax the muscles. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now completely turn to one side. Turn. Press your thigh down. Drop your palms on the side in front. Take a deep inhale, chest up. Exhale, walk forward. If possible, drop the elbows down on the floor and stay here. Look down. Breathe. Feel a nice opening in the hip joint. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale. Exhale to the other side. Drop your palms down. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, walk forward with the palms. Try to drop the elbow down. Stay here. Feel the stretch in the hip joint. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back and relax. Once again, both of your legs straight. Take your legs and relax. Now, lie down on the mat. Lie down on your back on the mat. Place your feet closer to the hip. Place your palms on the side. We will do Setu Bandhasana. Take a deep inhale. Lift your body up. Lock your chin and the chest together. Exhale. Come on, continue. Inhale, lift up and Setu Bandhasana. Exhale, drop it down. Perfect. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop it down. 2 more we will do. Come on, do it with me. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, drop it down. One last. Inhale, lift up and just hold here. Breathe normally. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now place your one foot over the other. Hug your knees. Roll your back up and down 10 times. Massage your back. Massage your back. Now drop your head down on the mat. Keep the knees away from the chest. Move the body side to side. Again, massage your lower back. Now, if you want, you can lie down in Shavasana for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, you can rest your body in Shavasana if you want. I will meet you in the next video. If you want me to post a long video for fertility or any other topic of your choice, do let me know in the comments and I will post it. Namaste.